Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a big ultimate clean with me. I'm going to do my standard cleaning around the house, which needed to be done, but my main objective this day was to clean my floors. And the only way that I do that is if the rest of the house is clean and picked up. I like to clean from top to bottom, so the floors are always last on my list. I'm gonna start by getting my sheets in the wash, which I do every single week. I always like to start my cleaning with a load of laundry because I always have a few loads to do, and because they take a while to get washed and done, I wanna make sure that I have plenty of time to get it all done that day. So my husband and I are definitely those people who eat our dinner on the couch every night and watch TV. So we always end up having some sort of dishes that need to be picked up on the table behind the couch. My dining room table is more of a catch-all space than anything. We don't really actually eat at it. So you're definitely gonna see proof of that here in a little bit. So when I go to clean my kitchen, I always start cleaning one counter at a time and focus on one task at a time. I will pick up all the dirty dishes and move those to the sink area, and then I'll pick up all the trash and then put away all the things that were left out. I may not go in this specific order every time, but I do follow these steps. And I find it to be more efficient when there's a lot to be picked up. And once all of my counters are clear, then I'll get started on all the dishes.
I think about you, for you my love. You drive me crazy, tell me what to do, what to do. I'm on my knees, yeah, I am begging you, begging you. I'll break the rules if it will get me to, yeah.
I just recently got a new dish soap from Target and I am loving it. It's a new Target brand called Smartly in the scent Orange Citrus Grove, and it smells so good. It suds up really well, and the best thing about it, it only costs like 70 cents. I'm still a fan of Mrs. Meyer's dish soaps, but I do like to switch around with brands so I can get different scents, just so I don't get bored of the smells. I don't know what it is, but every time I get a new cleaning product, it always motivates me to clean because I get excited to use them. So if you feel like maybe you're lacking a little bit of motivation, maybe go out and buy some new cleaning products with new scents that you haven't been using around the house, and maybe it'll help get you excited and motivated to clean.
When you're down and you stare out your window, hoping that you'll come up with some words to say. That's not okay. When you feel like you're fed up with heartbreak, and you know that you can't take another day. Well, that's not okay. Would you never go back this road? Would you never go back that way? I see you standing in the corner like it's okay. Don't you know that you move with your body? Don't you know that you move with your body? Would you never go back this road? Would you never go back that way? I see you standing in the corner like it's okay.
since I'm still cleaning in the kitchen right now, it made me think of this. So I've been thinking lately that I might start doing just a few cooking videos for my channel to share some recipes with y'all. So if that's something that y'all would like to see, I would love to hear your input about it and maybe some ideas. So like I said earlier, my dining room table is more of a catch-all space than an eating area, and this right here is a very good depiction of what I mean. It's insane how much stuff ends up here, but it is what it is. So I'm going to continue putting everything where it needs to go, then start dusting the furniture with Pledge. Once a week, I like to clean out my dogs' crates and wash their blankets, and I usually just wipe their pans out with method spray, but every once in a while I like to take them to the tub to give them a really good scrub, and to wash them I just use dish soap.
Kind of ignorant, you don't care what people say, people say, people say. I'm going crazy for you, baby. Don't know how you're making me feel this way, what can I say? That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Real things up to knock 'em down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away our sins, settle down, but until then, we're like a hurricane.
As I clean today, you're gonna see me pick up stuff off the floor to get it out of my way, just so when I go to vacuum and mop, I have an open, clear space with nothing in my way. And after everything is done, I'll just put everything back. Now I'm gonna move to my bathroom and pick up my makeup and hair products from getting ready this morning and give everything a quick wipe down with my antibacterial wipes. Sometimes I do use spray cleaner and sometimes I use wipes. It just depends on what I'm in the mood to use that day.
Have this feeling, haven't felt for so long. Took a hold on me and won't let go. I've been sleeping, caught me off my guard, 'cause you're in my space and now